Hi there, I hope you are all doing well. So in this tutorial I am going to explain you how you can basically import the JSON file of automation into the n8n. So let's suppose someone is going to provide you this JSON file, and you can easily now this is the JSON structure in backend. Like all the automation that we do, it is being saved in the coding form and you can easily download it. And let's suppose someone has provided you this JSON file like that. I have one downloaded, and then how you can basically use it in your n8n automation and how you can import it, I am going to explain you. This is going to be very easy tutorial, I just thought to make. So this is something JSON structure that you have, and now how to import it in new workflow. So it is very simple and very easy. You will just click on create workflow, and once you have created workflow, then there is 3 dot option, like, and then 3 dot in 3 dots there are multiple options. So you will use this import from file. So once you have done import from file, then there will be workflow. Make sure you have a workflow that you want to import. You will just click on that and you will just open. So then you will be able to see the workflow in your, let me zoom in your n8n workflow. So further you can edit it based on your requirements. You will need to configure the API keys and credentials. So this is very simple, and this is how it works. Thank you.